Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Shaw Wi-Fi pod. First, ensure your Shaw modem is fully operational and connected to the internet. Next, download the Ignite Home Connect app onto your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for the setup process. Finally, choose a central spot in your home for your first Wi-Fi pod to ensure optimal signal distribution. This initial placement is key for good coverage. Once you have the Ignite Home Connect app installed, open it and sign in using your Shaw ID credentials. If you don't have a Shaw ID, you'll need to create one first. Within the app, look for the Network section. From there, you'll find an option to add a device or specifically Wi-Fi pods. Tap on this to start the guided installation process. The app will then prompt you to scan the QR code located on the back of your Shaw Wi-Fi pod. Simply point your phone's camera at the code. After scanning, plug the pod into an active electrical outlet. It's best to choose an outlet that isn't controlled by a switch. The pod's light will blink and then turn solid white once it's successfully connected to your network. After your first pod is connected, the Ignite Home Connect app can offer suggestions for placing additional pods to maximize your Wi-Fi coverage. If you notice any dead zones or areas with weak signal, consider adding another pod there. With your Shaw Wi-Fi pods properly set up, you'll enjoy a strong, reliable internet connection across your entire home. Happy browsing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.